Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into 20 incredible Amazon kitchen gadgets designed to simplify, make your life easier, and save you time. From genius tools that tackle everyday problems to innovative gadgets you didn't know you needed, these finds will transform your cooking routine. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future Amazon finds. Let's dive in. This fully automatic mason jar vacuum sealer kit is a must-have for preserving freshness in mason jars. Designed with an auto-stop feature, it ensures a tight seal every time, making it perfect for canned foods, pickling, or pantry storage. The easy-to-use design simplifies vacuum sealing, keeping your ingredients fresher for longer. Compact and efficient, it works seamlessly with mason jars of various sizes. Whether you're preserving seasonal produce or meal prepping, this sealer kit adds convenience and extends the life of your favorite foods. An essential tool for every home canning enthusiast. This adjustable measuring spoon simplifies precision cooking and baking with its innovative design. Featuring an easy-to-use sliding mechanism, it allows you to measure both dry and liquid ingredients accurately, from teaspoons to tablespoons. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the compact, space-saving design fits neatly into kitchen drawers. Ideal for recipes requiring precise measurements, it eliminates the need for multiple measuring tools. Perfect for home cooks and baking enthusiasts, this versatile spoon is a smart and stylish addition to any kitchen. This under-cabinet jar opener is a must-have for anyone with weak hands or arthritis. Designed for one-handed operation, it securely grips jar lids of all sizes, making opening jars and bottles quick and effortless. Its compact hidden design installs easily under cabinets, keeping it accessible yet out of sight. Durable and reliable, it's perfect for seniors, those with limited grip strength, or anyone seeking extra convenience in the kitchen. Simplify your daily tasks with this essential tool that makes meal prep frustration-free and enjoyable. This rotary cheese grater makes slicing and shredding a breeze. Featuring 3 interchangeable blades, it effortlessly grates cheese, slices vegetables, and even chops nuts with precision. The ergonomic handle ensures smooth operation, while the suction base keeps it stable on your countertop for safe and efficient use. Perfect for preparing salads, garnishes, or snacks, this grater is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Easy to assemble and clean, it saves time and effort during meal prep. Upgrade your cooking experience with this compact and functional kitchen gadget. This large chicken shredder is the ultimate tool for effortlessly shredding meat in seconds. Designed with a visible shredding chamber, it evenly separates chicken, pork, or beef without the mess. The strong anti-slip base ensures stability during use, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. BPA-free and easy to clean, it's a safe and efficient option for meal prep. Perfect for creating pulled pork, shredded chicken tacos, or salads, this tool saves time and effort in the kitchen. A must-have for barbecue lovers and home cooks alike. This removable handle is a versatile and practical replacement for your kitchen. Designed to fit universally, it securely attaches to pots, pans, and other cookware, providing a sturdy grip during use. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while the quick-release mechanism allows for effortless attachment and removal. Perfect for saving space, it's ideal for compact storage or transitioning cookware from stovetop to oven. Made from durable, heat-resistant materials, it's a reliable solution for replacing worn-out handles. Upgrade your cookware with this must-have universal handle replacement. This rolling knife sharpener ensures your blades stay razor-sharp with minimal effort. Featuring diamond and ceramic sharpening surfaces, it's perfect for steel knives of any hardness. The dual-angle magnetic guide offers precision at 15 and 20 degrees, ideal for various knife types. Its ergonomic design allows smooth rolling action, making sharpening safe and efficient. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for home cooks and chefs seeking professional-grade results. Keep your kitchen knives in peak condition with this durable and versatile sharpening tool. This sleek electric grinder set brings convenience and style to your kitchen. With a gravity sensor, it starts grinding as you tilt it. No buttons required. Perfect for one-handed operation, it's ideal for busy cooks. The adjustable coarseness lets you customize seasoning for every dish, while the built-in LED light ensures precise seasoning even in dim lighting. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it combines elegance and functionality. Whether you're cooking or dining, this grinder set enhances every meal effortlessly, a must-have for food enthusiasts and modern kitchens. This compact garlic chopper makes mincing garlic quick and effortless. Simply load peeled cloves into the chamber, roll the chopper across your countertop, and watch as perfectly minced garlic collects inside. Its unique design ensures even chopping with minimal mess, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort during use. Compact and easy to clean, it's perfect for everyday cooking or meal prep. Ideal for garlic lovers and busy cooks, this fun and functional tool saves time and adds convenience to your kitchen routine. This versatile vegetable chopper simplifies meal prep like never before. With interchangeable blades, it effortlessly chops, slices, and spiralizes vegetables to suit any recipe. The built-in container keeps your countertop clean by catching everything as you chop, making cleanup quick and easy. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's perfect for creating fresh salads, stir-fries, or veggie noodles in no time. Compact and easy to store, this chopper is a must-have for home cooks looking to save time and effort in the kitchen. Upgrade your cooking routine with this all-in-one kitchen essential. This multifunctional jar opener is a game changer for anyone with weak hands, arthritis, or low strength. Designed to easily grip and twist lids of all sizes, it provides effortless opening for jars, bottles, and cans. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain and frustration during use. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for everyday kitchen tasks or on-the-go convenience. Whether you're tackling tough pickle jars or soda caps, this opener delivers reliable performance. A must-have tool for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone seeking added ease in the kitchen. This silicone pasta strainer is the ultimate space-saving kitchen gadget. Designed to clip securely onto pots and pans, it makes straining pasta, vegetables, and noodles effortless without the need for bulky colanders. Heat-resistant and durable, it handles hot liquids with ease, while its compact design saves storage space in your kitchen. The universal fit works with most pot sizes, and the simple clip-on functionality ensures no spills or mess. Perfect for quick and easy cooking, this strainer is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine. This powerful cold-press juicer takes juicing to the next level with its never-clogged design and total pulp control. Its slow juicing mechanism preserves nutrients and flavor, creating fresh, high-quality juice from fruits and vegetables. Featuring 2 customizable pulp functions, you can tailor your juice texture to your preference. Compact and sleek, it fits seamlessly on your countertop, while the dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. Perfect for health enthusiasts or anyone who loves fresh juice, this second-generation juicer combines convenience, performance, and style for everyday use. This upgraded herb scissors make chopping herbs and preparing salads quick and effortless. With 5 sharp stainless steel blades, it slices through parsley, basil, and more in seconds. The included cover doubles as a comb for easy cleaning, while the herb stripping holes in the handle simplify removing leaves from stems. Perfect for creating fresh garnishes, flavorful salads, or meal prep, these multifunctional scissors save time and reduce mess. Compact, durable, and easy to use, they're a must-have tool for any home cook or herb enthusiast. This innovative food warming mat is perfect for keeping dishes warm during parties or buffets. Equipped with advanced graphene heating technology, it ensures fast and even heat distribution across the entire surface. With 6 adjustable temperature levels and a 6-hour timer, it provides precise control to suit any occasion. The roll-up design makes it easy to store and transport, while its durable, spill-resistant surface ensures hassle-free cleanup. Ideal for family gatherings, events, or everyday use, this warming mat keeps your meals at the perfect serving temperature effortlessly. A must-have for hosting made simple. This portable electric lunchbox makes enjoying warm meals on the go simple and convenient. With an 80-watt heating element, it evenly warms your food at work, in the car, or during travel. The 1.5-liter capacity includes 2 stainless steel containers, perfect for keeping meals organized and fresh. Its compact, lightweight design and durable construction make it easy to carry wherever you go. Ideal for busy professionals, truck drivers, or anyone needing a hot meal away from home, this self-heating lunchbox is a game-changer for portable dining. A must-have for modern lifestyles. This smart coffee mug warmer keeps your beverages perfectly warm throughout the day. Featuring 3 adjustable temperature settings, it's ideal for heating coffee, tea, milk, or any favorite drink. Its compact design fits seamlessly on office desks or kitchen counters, adding a touch of convenience to your daily routine. The auto shutoff function ensures safety, while the flat heating surface accommodates a variety of cup sizes. Perfect for busy mornings or long work days, this mug warmer is a thoughtful gift for coffee and tea lovers who enjoy every sip at just the right temperature. This dual breakfast sandwich maker takes your mornings to the next level. With its innovative design, it cooks 2 custom sandwiches in just minutes, perfect for busy households or quick meals. The built-in timer ensures perfectly cooked layers, from eggs and cheese to your favorite bread. Compact and easy to use, it features non-stick surfaces for effortless cleanup. Whether you're craving a classic breakfast or experimenting with creative fillings, this gadget delivers delicious results every time. Upgrade your mornings with this essential kitchen tool.